Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I will be sharing how I shave my facial hairs, my upper lips and my brows. So without further delay, let's get start into the video, and do not forget to subscribe my channel if you are new. So for the first step, I'm using Revolution Skincare Stabilized Active Serum so that my skin gets all the moisturization into it. So now I will be start shaving my face, and I will be linking all the product details in the description box. So as you guys can see, maybe I do have a very little and tiny small hair under my brows, so I will first remove them. And please make sure to stay calm while you shave your face. And I please request you all to stay focused while you shave, because I did mistake around 1 month back. I was shaving my brows, and accidentally I shaved some part of my brows that you might can see. So I'm not shaving from that part at all because it still need to grow well. And I'm done with my both eyebrows. Now it's time to remove upper lips hair. Always force your tongue on your lips, because if you keep shaving while your skin is loose, you may get cut. And yes, some people do shave their whole face, including forehead, cheek and rest of the face, but I prefer not to shave, because I do have very small baby hairs all over my face and I just enjoy having them. So it's totally up to you if you want to keep them, or if you don't want to, you can shave them as well. And now we are done with the shaving part, so I thought to pamper my skin a little more. So I'm using Hip Hop Skincare Cleansing Charcoal Nose Strips to remove my blackheads. So before applying them, make sure you wet your nose with some normal water. And in the meanwhile, I'm using face scrub from Khadi Natural in the flavor rose and papaya. And please never scrub your face very harsh. I have seen some people and some videos, they scrub their face very harsh. Please go gentle with it. Your skin is like your baby, so please, whenever you scrub your face, make sure to scrub softly and gently. So once you feel your scrub has been absorbed in your skin completely, you can wash it off with the lukewarm water or with the normal water as well. And in the meanwhile, I think my nose strip is stiff, so it's time to slowly peel the strip off. Really wish my camera could have captured the result, but trust me, it also removed the whitehead as well. So for the next step, I am using aloe vera gel from the brand The Love Co. Make sure that whenever you shave your face, after that always use a pure aloe vera gel, or you can use any gel of your choice, but I prefer to use aloe vera gel because it has strong and healing properties. And for moisturizer, I am using my all-time favorite Nivea Soft Vitamin E Light Moisturizer. I am loving this product. I use this around in mostly my many videos, and this is my second tub that I am using. So, and this is very lightweighted moisturizer as it says. So for lip balm, I am using Mash Square Lip Balm. This is an small Indian brand which is just started few days back, so make sure to check that out. I will be linking their page link and as well their page name in my description. That's all for today's video, and I hope you guys like this video. If you feel connected to my video, please make sure to like this video, and I would love to see your feedbacks as well. So bye bye, take care, and I shall see you all in my next video.